Our brilliant 18th edition prize draws are starting in March. So if you haven't already registered with learninglounge.com/channel 18, do it now. As well as being the best place to get the latest news about the 18th edition, you'll have a chance to win one of our great prizes every month, finishing with our grand prize draw at the end of July. We have 5 awesome prizes for March. A Learning Lounge 18th edition full course with exam at your nearest participating centre, complete with your own copy of the 18th edition book once it's published. A powerful Hitachi 18-volt combi drill. A premium alarm safety pack from Kidder. A high-quality screwdriver from Hager, and a pair of magnetised test probes from Chauvin Arnoux. So make sure you go to learninglounge.com/channel 18, create your free Learning Lounge account and register. Every month you're connected, we'll give you a bonus entry into the grand prize draw in July. We're still piling up the prizes for the grand draw, and in addition to our monthly prize haul, there'll be a Chauvin Arnoux thermal camera worth nearly £1,000. Now this great piece of kit can not only help you with carrying out energy efficiency audits, but also aid with fault finding and maintenance. Our first prize draw will be on Friday, the 30th of March, so make sure you're connected to Channel 18.